teasing her. Saying, try to get it. Whoa, you dropped it. Get it, Kita. Get your ball. Get your ball, Kita. Randy really won't play ball. He takes it and hides it from Nikita. Now Nikita will hide the ball, but she hides it and wants you to find it. Randy, on the other hand, he just hoards it. Oh, the ball got away. You gonna get it? A lot of times if the ball goes under or behind something, she won't get it. She doesn't want to touch anything. She's afraid she's not supposed to touch. December 2nd, 11:45. 46 degrees. Not bad for December, huh? There's Miss Nikita. Where's Rambo? Wanted to show you what we found lately. Moles, groundhogs or something. All over. They actually go into the cornfield. Can't see it from here. From upstairs you can though. Here comes Randy. I think he thinks they're gonna go hunting. Nikita, get it. Here, get it. What is it? Get it out of there. Get it out of there. What is that? Get it. She doesn't normally dig in anything, so to see her do that, you know she can smell what's under there. Randy digs all the time, except for when you want him to. Did you get it, Kita? Did you get it? If she did find something, she wouldn't do anything about it. It's one thing about a pointer, they don't usually hurt other animals. She smells something in there. She's going to down. Well, here's another one, Kita. Rambo, get out of the field. Come on. Rambo. Randy, come on. I didn't look to see what the wind chill factor was. My fingers are starting to get really, really cold. She's like, is there any more? Is there anything to chase? She likes the chase. She doesn't do anything if she gets close, but she likes the chase. Where we used to live, we had wild turkeys that came on the property all the time. Have you ever seen turkeys fly? They are huge. They make a big noise. The kid would chase them and make them fly. There were so many times she could have caught one, but she never did. She just let them go. They fly up in the trees, and It sounded like thunder almost. Couldn't believe how big they are when they open their wings and fly. But with an open field around here, there's really no place for them to hide. I mean, the only trees is like right here. I mean, where there's compacted trees. And then across the street, but that's just the line there too. There's like nothing to really hide in or anything for a turkey. We don't really have too many squirrels either. Just I've seen like 3, I think, in the last year or so. Lots of grass for Nikita though. Only good thing about fall